Hello everyone, welcome on our YouTube channel Physics Made Easy Kota. In this video lecture, we are going to understand about the alternating currents, and here are some topics which we are going to discuss in this video lecture one by one. So today we are going to understand about the LCR circuit. So an electronic LCR circuit consists of a resistor, capacitor and inductor, all connected in series combination with each other. Since all the three elements of the LCR circuit are connected in series, the current passes through them is the same. The LCR circuit also used to enhance the voltage or increase the voltage passing through the individual component of the circuit. This voltage can be much larger than the external voltage applied to the circuit. So it can be useful in various aspects, like it is useful to change the impedance of the circuit, to increase or decrease the resistance to the current of different frequencies. The three components of an LCR circuit work together to produce different effects. First of all is a resistor. Resistor limits the current flow through it. It helps in controlling the voltage or power that is applied to the LCR circuit. The resistor is a component of an electronic device that limits the flow of electric current. It also helps to control the amount of the voltage that is applied to the LCR circuit. Whereas capacitor store energy and release it in a controlled manner. It also helps in controlling the voltage or a power which is applied to the LCR circuit, as capacitors store energy and release it in a controlled manner, which further prevent too much current from flowing through the resistor. So inductor, it resists the change in current which is flowing in the circuit. It helps in controlling the fluctuation in the current flow. It also resists the change in the current flow, which helps to stabilize the LCR circuit. So as the all components are performing their respective roles, so LCR circuit has various applications. LCR circuit is used as a part of the electronic devices such as cell phones, that is of mobile phones, televisions, computers, to regulate the intensity of light emitted from these devices. So the LCR circuit having all these three components, and they are connected in a series arrangement, and alternating voltage is supplied. So in such arrangement, the current provide passage through all the elements of the circuit equally, and they have the respective voltage, that is a VR, VC, VL. This symbolize the amount of the individual voltage across the resistor, capacitor and inductor. So now we are talking about the importance of LCR circuit. It is important in various applications. LCR circuits help reduce power consumption by controlling too much current flow through a device. It also helps to reduce the voltage fluctuation that can damage electronic devices, store energy and release it in a controlled manner, which prevent too much current from flowing through the resistor. So in this way, it helps in controlling the fluctuation of the current flow, which stabilize the LCR circuit. There is a difference between the resistance and the impedance, as both means the opposition to the flow of the current, but resistance is the opposition offered by a circuit to the flow of the steady electric current, that is in a DC, and it is independent of the frequency. Whereas impedance is a measure of the opposition offered by a circuit to the flow current when alternating voltage is applied to the circuit. As both have the same units, as impedance has a unit and dimensions of the resistance, because we generally specify the opposition by the circuit. What is an LR circuit? An inductor resistor circuit is a combination of resistors and inductor. So these two components, resistor and inductor, can be connected into series or parallel. So the LR circuit are of two types, series LR circuit and parallel LR circuit. In series LR circuit, the driving source of circuit is voltage, whereas in a parallel LR circuit, the driving source of voltage is current. Actually, they are commonly used as the passive filters. RC circuit is a resistor capacitor circuit. This circuit consists of the components which are majorly resistor and capacitor. Along with these components, the RC circuit comprises a voltage source or current source which are responsible for the working of the circuit. The RC circuit can contain any number of resistor and capacitor. This number is independent and changes according to the need of the electronics. An RC circuit comprises only one resistor and one capacitor is called first order RC circuit, which is the simplest one. These circuits are used in various applications, mainly in filters, where they are used to block some range of frequency signals and allow only certain range to pass through them. Electrical resonance occur in an electrical circuit at a particular resonant frequency, where the impedance or the admittance of the circuit element cancel each other. Actually, resonance is a phenomena in electrical circuit where the output of the electrical circuit is maximum at one particular frequency, and that particular frequency is known as a resonant frequency. So at a resonant frequency, one condition is important, that the capacitive reactance and the inductive reactance in LCR series circuit is equal. So in an alternating current, if the phase of the applied potential voltage difference and the current flowing through the circuit is same, then that circuit is a resonant circuit, and the phenomena shown by these circuit is called resonance. LCR series circuit is one of the type of the resonance circuit.